Hi, and welcome to the Trucking Scribe. It's Esther. Today I have finished this Snowdrop fairy journal. It has a tassel with some different dangles. This one has my logo on it. This one I put Warrior because she makes me think of the warrior. She's so pretty. This journal is 5 by 6 3/4, and then it's got an inch spine. I have closed it with some twine. It has a beautiful dangle, a beautiful tassel that I'm going to take off so we can see the journal better. But it's just fastened on with a bow pin. It has lace and fabric and seam binding, buttons. I'm just going to lay it right there. So when you look at this book is made from an Amazon shipping envelope. Has this beautiful woman on front, the fairy, lace and twine. And then you've got corrugated cardboard behind her with a butterfly. You open it up, and there is this pocket that opens up that has journaling cards. This is a journaling spot that I left so whoever bought the journal could put it wherever they want to. There's also an envelope with Velcro closure that has little stickers and stuff in it. Also, you can put it where you want to if you want to glue it in the journal. Here is a notepad that just slides in. I have stenciled with Peel Paint Distress Ink some flowers on the backgrounds. This is the belly band that holds this in. Stick this back in here. So you can put all kinds of things in this little closure. You have a fairy here with the bird. And you just tie these up, and it closes it up. It has grommets to help secure it. A little fairy boy that's trying to figure out what's going on. Over here is the first page. It has bling all over it. A beautiful snowdrop fairy. When you flip the page, I've used corrugated cardboard to stamp lines on this journal all the way through on the pages, as well as you can see where I have stenciled the flowers. There's a belly band here with a journaling card that's stenciled on the back and sewn. I have stamped right there. Another stamp on that one. I stamped quite a bit in here. So here is a ticket. A little girl standing there. A journaling card with a fairy sticker that you can put wherever you'd like. And these journaling cards do have lines on the back of them also. There's a few that doesn't. Most of them do. Have some lace. So I was trying to remember what I did with this belly band because I made it in a video back in April of 2023 and I couldn't figure out what was that. It finally showed up today out of the middle of nowhere, and I had kind of thought it would go perfect with this journal, and it did. So here's the second signature. Got a little bit of fabric from the tags. Got a tuck spot here And these white flowers, although it says Canterbury bells, it made me think of the Snowdrop flowers right here. So I put that in. You can use it as a pocket. You can glue it, remove it wherever you'd like it. Some more stamping and stenciling. Garden Flora. This one has a paper bag with a journaling card inside. Beautiful back designs on these. Here's another Snowdrop fairy. This has more stamps and stenciling. He's just sitting up there on that number sign trying to find out what all's going on over there. She is just beautiful with her little flute, or I don't know, I think it's a flute. I'm probably wrong, but hey, it'll be a first time. Got some lace here. Another fairy walking down the ticket. So over here there's two journaling cards with the fairy, and most of the journaling cards, not all of them, but most of the tags and journaling cards have been stitched. The pockets too. Embroidered flower. This is just a little tuck spot there. So over here, there's a pocket that has two journaling cards. And you've got a big journaling card of the Snowdrop fairy on the front, the warrior. Here's another pocket back here that just has a little card in there. There is a pocket right there behind this big pocket that has two journaling cards. I stamped on them. One has a mushroom and dates. This one has airmail and stamps and everything else. They're just beautiful. I just tucked them in right here. The journal has a twine closure. You have paper beads that are hanging off of it. I put grommets in here. And you can see the twine going through there. These back in. You just slide in there. I'm going to slide these back in. So when you close it, you can have those sticking out or in. But what I did was I just wrapped this around and pulled it back around and had those hanging down so that they just look really pretty hanging off the side of the journal. So on the back, there is another pocket with a journaling card. And these two here, you can have them kind of poking out where you can see them, or you can have them tucked in or put something else in there. But this beautiful journal is on my Etsy shop. I will have a craft with me video. I did kind of try to do a tutorial, but it wound up being so long because I kept changing my mind that, I went from a folio to a journal. Let's see. It's not closing right. So I don't know if I did say that this has a grommet there for the tassel. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. If you're new here, it'd be great if you hit the subscribe button and the like button. If you've been here a while, thank you for stopping by. And I would love to know what you think of this Warrior Snowdrop journal. Warrior Snowdrop Fairy Journal. Thank you guys and have a great day.